Good afternoon. A deep evil novel, climate change novel, author and solo acting Ahmed Gaber Abdelhamid. Episode number 69. In Astoria, Vienna. Good evening. I am Stephen from UK. I am a researcher in Cambridge. In the previous lectures, I asked 5 questions. In the last lecture, I tried to answer the first question. In this lecture, I will try to answer the second question. If we find in the private sector some investors want to invest in the renewable energy plants, how can we transfer the electricity from the new plants to the transportation sector or to the building sector? If we start by the building sector, all the old cities have a network to transfer the electricity from the plants to the buildings. But the renewable energy plants will build in the sunny or windy locations, which is different location of the old electricity plants. So, this will need a link network between the new plants and the old network. This link will maybe cost a lot. So who will pay this additional cost? The private sector or the government? Logical, the private sector cannot pay this cost. So the governments will pay this cost and transfer the cost to the additional fees on the monthly utilities bills. The private sector will return his investment by collecting the electricity utilities bill, which is combined between the capital cost and the running cost, which will make the utility bill has another additional fee, which is the capital cost. The result is the monthly utilities bills has an additional fee of the depreciation of the capital cost and the additional cost of depreciation of new link network. These additional fees will raise the electricity cost for the customer, for the consumer. But if we talk about the transportation sector, we have 2 problems. The feeding stations didn't have any link with the electricity network. The second, all vehicles do not depend on the electricity. So, we have to make 2 projects. New electricity network to feed the station by electricity. The second, to add an electricity motor to the public transportation vehicles. But these 2 projects is very high cost, which is not economic solutions. Then we have to find a new solution out of the box. Thanks, see you next lecture. At office of Professor Jacques, Peter said, Prof, I tried to find the research which made to develop the Northern Ireland as a duty-free and financial center, but I couldn't find it. Also, I tried to find the research which made to design the old cities to be environmentally friendly, but also I didn't find it. So, what is your advice? I know that you are smart, but I want to know what that you are honest. That you are honest, but I want to know that you are honest. You can find the two research if you call our friends, whom told me that you are a patriot, but you didn't get our secret out. Now I give you the permission to contact with our friends, ask them for researches, follow all them instructions, but didn't tell them that I know them or I mentioned anything about them. Prof. Jack said. Thank you. See you next episode.